Hello, this is Rosy again from Anhui Clean Energy. Today I will show you our product samples. This is our showroom. Let's come in. On my right side, these are firefighting and industrial gas cylinders, normally filled with carbon dioxide, oxygen, argon, nitrogen, and so on. We support the customization of size and color. The next is the CNG Type 1 steel cylinders. CNG cylinder, that is a compressed natural gas cylinder, used for vehicles such as car, bus, and truck. Here is the CNG Type 2 cylinder, steel liner hoop wrapped with glass fiber, lighter than Type 1. This one is CNG Type 3 cylinder, steel liner full wrapped with carbon fiber, lighter than Type 2. Okay, let's come here. The big ones are CNG Type 4 cylinders, HDPE plastic liner full wrapped with carbon fiber, lighter than Type 3. This one are composite material, LPG gas cylinders. The small ones, benzene gas cylinder. That's so much for our cylinder samples. Besides, we also provide the matching waves. Thanks for your watching. Next time, I will take you entering our production workshop. Bye!